to recognize the presence of the Bomb Radio. We're happy to have them. The Bomb Radio is present Middle East. They have in Kuwait, Qatar, but now they have started in KSA as well. So, patuloy lang po, kilalanin niyo po ang tindahan sa Riyadh at kasama po namin kayo para sa isang araw ng kasiyahan. Hindi lang ho kasiyahan kasi sisiguraduhin ko na uuwi ho kayo ng may dala.
Yan.
Alright.
Yan po yung MC namin.
Yung mga nasa labas po, feel free to go to check the booth. Marami po kaming mga produkto na nandito. Mula po sa Imprenta, we also have Usana products. We also have foods, special foods po. Let me make a roll call.
Wala kang detalye. Kunin mo na yung pangalan ng catering kung mobile number sila.
We also have the business of Mr. Ramon Castillo. They're selling Biko, cheesecake, California Maki, and many more. We also have the booth of Mr. Ray Martan. Mr. Ray Martan is a cell phone repair businessman. So lahat po ng may sirang cellphone, specializing in Apple, I believe, is he can manage. And we would like to also thank Mr. Ray Martan for sponsoring an iPhone 5 SE, which will be given away later. May kasama ka? May kasama ka? Ikaw lang?
Yan yung tono.
And we would like to also thank Lutong Bahay Catering Services by Sir Alan Ramirez. Si Sir Alan pala yun. Asa ang booth mo, Sir Alan? And also, Imprenta. Imprenta is here to give you a memorable souvenir. Magpapapicture po kayo sa kanya, it's free. Ang may bayad lang po is yung print out. Siyempre. Again, don't forget to approach Imprenta for all your printing needs. I'd like to check if Mr. Dario Selimban is already here.
That's my bag.
Mr. Dario, are you here already? Kayo yan? Sir Dario is also one of katindahan who is specializing in rubberized materials, rubberized printing, and cloud choppers. And for the women, we also have women abaya. So, specialized women abaya. Dito na ba si Miss Bainov Kasan? Okay, Miss Bainov. Good morning po.
Pag wala ko sinasabi, lakasan yung music.
I'd like to recognize Miss Maricel Salazar. Are you here? Miss Maricel Salazar. She will be, her booth is about Korean apparel and RTW. So don't hesitate to buy things. Lalo na po ngayong bagong taon. Pag gusto niyo po ng mga bagong materials or bagong things with you. So don't hesitate to buy in our bazaar, Baratillo. Dito lamang po yan sa tindahan sa Riyadh. So all set. Do we have committees? Are we all set?
Dito ako sa harap. Oh my God. company, I'm here. Sir President Christopher Sheng, hi. This is our dance product from Tindahan from here.